And now it's time for another Wellness 101. How to Stop a Headache. Presented by St. Luke's University Health Network. Uh-oh, looks like somebody's got a headache again. Unfortunately, you're not alone. According to the National Headache Foundation, over 45 million Americans suffer from headaches every year. The most common type of headache is the tension headache. Tension headaches are usually associated with a dull, squeezing, steady pain typically located in the forehead, neck, and shoulders. Some causes of tension headaches include stress, fatigue, certain foods, caffeine withdrawal, and eye strain. The second most common type of headache is the migraine headache. Migraines are associated with a dull pain in the temple and side of the head that becomes throbbing and sometimes even debilitating. Common symptoms include nausea and sensitivity to light and sound. Some triggers of migraine headaches include stress, changes in weather, certain foods, or bright lights. The third type of headache is the cluster headache. Clusters, although rare and more commonly found in men, are groups of severe headaches that can last for weeks, and attacks can happen once or twice a day. The pain is usually centralized around one eye, behind, or on one side of the head. This type of headache comes on suddenly, peaks quickly, and can last for up to 3 hours. Headaches can certainly be an everyday struggle, but the good news is we've got 5 steps to help you ease the pain. Step 1. Try an ice pack or cold compress. An ice pack, ice cubes in a Ziploc bag, or even a bag of frozen vegetables will do the trick. The cold can constrict blood vessels, which reduces inflammation and can help reduce the neurotransmission of pain to the brain. Step 2. Lower the lights. Bright light, or even the flickering light of a TV or computer screen, can cause a headache. Try turning off or dimming the lights inside your home or office. Consider using blackout curtains on your windows during the day and wearing sunglasses when outside. It's also a good idea to avoid the TV or computer until your headache has subsided. Step 3. Consider a heating pad or muscle rub. Placing a heating pad or muscle rub on your neck and shoulders can help your muscles relax by increasing the blood flow to that area, thus easing the tension on your head. Step 4. Keep calm and relax. One of the best things you can do for a headache is slow down and chill out. Whether it's stretching, yoga, or meditation, learning how to keep calm can work wonders on a headache and can assist you with having fewer headaches in the future. Step 5. Take meds with a little caffeine. When all else fails, consider taking some over-the-counter pain relievers with a little bit of caffeine. Having coffee, tea, or something with a little caffeine in it coupled with a pain reliever can ease your headache if you catch it early enough. A word of caution here though, too much caffeine can actually cause a headache, so keep the caffeine to a minimum for maximum relief. Folks, if you suffer from chronic headaches, don't hesitate to reach out to our friends at St. Luke's University Health Network. They can give you a bunch more tips and tricks on how to keep your squash pain-free. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share to all who are suffering. Until next time, this is Mr. Wellness saying be well and follow the steps to a healthier you.